In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove or change your reference code in the Shein app. If you currently have a reference code linked to your Shein account and you want to disconnect it or replace it with a different one, the process is fairly simple once you know where to look. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along inside the app without any confusion. To get started, open the Shein app on your phone. Once the app loads, look to the bottom right corner of the screen and tap the Me Profile icon. This is the section where you can access your account settings, profile-related features, and other personal options connected to your Shein account. After you're on the Me page, scroll down until you find the More Services section. Depending on your app version, you may need to scroll a little further to see all available options. In that section, tap My Reference. This is the area where your currently connected reference code is stored and managed. When the My Reference page opens, look for the option that says Edit or simply tap the code that is currently bound to your account. This will open the editing screen where you can make changes to the saved reference code. If the layout looks slightly different on your device, don't worry. The wording or placement can vary a little between app versions, but the goal is to access the screen where the active code can be modified. Next, tap Delete to remove the existing code. In some versions of the app, instead of a delete button, you may just need to clear the code field manually. Once that code is removed, it will no longer be linked to your account. This is the step that unlinks the current reference code. It's also important to keep in mind that Shein only allows one active reference code at a time. That means you cannot save multiple codes simultaneously. If you enter a new reference code after removing the old one, the new one will automatically replace the previous code. So if your goal is simply to switch from one code to another, you can do that from the same section without needing anything extra. Take a moment to double check the change before leaving the page, just to make sure the old code is gone or the new one has been applied correctly. And that's it. That's how to remove or update your reference code in the Shein app quickly and easily.